You can talk to some plastic.
What we got here?
Oh,
All right, we've got some Bandai.
in the kit, it's not plastic.
No, it's plastic.
It's metallic plastic.
No, I don't think this is actually metallic, but I think
The character
is
in
magnetic.
the anime. This is from the Pokemon series.
Yes. Yes.
I do love a good Pikachu.
It looks a bit different to Pikachu.
Does it?
Yeah.
Looks
It's a
like
spidery looking thing, yeah?
looks
Looks like a
angry.
crab.
Is he a baddie?
Looks angry.
Is there
I have no
baddies and
idea.
goodies?
How do you know who's a goodie?
I don't know, but you got to
Is
get.
Pikachu a goodie?
Isn't it? You got to catch them all.
Should I
Oh,
look?
look at his big red eyes. He's definitely angry. He's either been woken up, not had enough sleep, or really angry.
Oh, you know all about that.
Well,
What's the clear bits?
I'd say you can see through them. What do you mean? What's the clear bits?
Why's that for the eyes? There you go. You got the legs here.
Leg? What are you talking about? Legs?
It's got legs.
Oh,
It's got 4 legs. What are you talking about?
it's got 4 sprues.
Are we
I
looking at
love
the same
it.
thing?
I love the color.
You
got-
love that sort of blue, don't you?
Got pincers. Yeah, it's like I wouldn't say like an eggshell blue, but I do love Bandai and their kits. Just that their palette and the quality is phenomenal.
You're all going together. You made some
This is
recently, haven't you?
obviously not meant to be a glossy finish because it's like a metallic, isn't it? It's like a brushed aluminium effect on the
so
mold itself.
The texture of the mold.
It's absolutely phenomenal what they do. And it's just obviously a fairly simple kit.
Yep.
This is right in my age bracket, 6+.
Yep.
That's about where I'm at.
Yep. I can vouch for that.
Oh yeah.
All right, so talking about that, we've got something else as well.
What?
Still on the Pokemon.
Pokemon
This is a twin kit set.
twin kit.
Yeah. So this is Charizard. I don't know if I'm pronouncing this correctly.
Chorizo.
And Dragonite.
Chorizo and
You love your chorizo,
and dragon
don't you?
chorizo and dragon fruit.
I don't know if you're going to eat these. They might be spicy. What?
He's had some hot chorizo.
Oh, what? From the back end?
Mouth, mate.
Oh,
It's a-
sorry. I'm looking at the wrong end.
Typical
I don't know.
BJ. Always looking at the wrong end.
There is no correct end. There is no wrong end. What do you
Oh,
mean? They're
hang
all
on.
correct.
That's HR.
What have we got here? Oh, look at that.
Bat wings. What are we looking at? Talk
All right,
us
so
through
we've got
this one.
stickers here.
Oh, I like his legs.
Like the feet. It's got legs as
I
well,
just
right?
want- I just wanted to beat you. I
Are
wanted-
you mocking me? What's this bit?
It's a beak.
No, it's a tail, isn't it? Oh, it's got some transparent. See, it's got fire. There's a fire that's coming out of its mouth.
From the chorizo.
Must be spicy. There's a head there.
Again, look at the colours. It's,
3 color
Three
sprue
colours.
right there.
and this isn't one of their premium kits. Like this is just one that they knock out, and they just make it look effortless, don't they?
Well, again, this
To
is
get
for
that.
the youngins to get into it. So this is 6+ as well.
So that would be one with
Yeah.
no tools, no
tools.
nippers,
No glue,
no
no
nippers,
tools,
no
no
knife,
paint.
no knife, no sanding
No.
sticks.
All there.
Is it
Cool.
right up my alley? I did a little SD one.